Since 2014, we've been working hard to crack the code of what makes eight-figure sellers so successful. And here on my screen, we have put together a toolkit for you of the top 12 tools that we use to take brands from 7 to 8 figures. And now you have access to it. Once you go to adverio.io/agency ops, you can click to download the tool, and it will look like this. And there are 12 tools in here. The first one talks about incrementality and growth versus efficiency, and helps you understand where your spend is being efficient or inefficient, and quick ways to cut that wasted ad spend. Anything that's what we call on the bubble. Then we have the split testing and walk through best practices on that. We have tools for you as well. And then we walk through the Amazon Product Opportunity Explorer and give you ways to do product research and find new opportunities based on your current product offerings and more. We also walk through the market basket analysis as one of the most hidden gems that our sellers use to find out exactly what your shoppers are adding to their cart with your products. Tons of insights there. We also walk through brand reputation, how to reduce your negative review or critical review count, how to get them removed, and how to communicate to your customers to keep your brand reviews looking sharp. We also walk through brand tailored promotion and coupons. And then we dive into Amazon's native influencer marketplace known as Creator Connections. We also walk through lifetime value, and all of these we have tools that are built for you that will take that really complex data that's in spreadsheets or CSVs, etc., and pull them up into a presentable dashboard for you. I have tons of videos here on YouTube walking you through that. We also go through Ngrams. This basically looks at all of your search term data and splits up and breaks them down into single keywords or bigrams or multiple keywords put together, and give you that data on the aggregate level so you can surface things that maybe you're doing really well that you didn't know, as also will surface where a lot of your spend is being wasted with common sharing of keywords. We also go into dynamic pricing. This is another one of the big things that a lot of sellers don't use. Just kind of set it and forget it and don't really track the market and look at demand. Very, very important to do this. We also dive into our Profit Pulse system, which puts your SKU economics report from Amazon on steroids. Since we manage hundreds of thousands of SKUs, this is really critical for us and for sellers just like you to understand which one of your products are winners and losers and where you can make quick updates to increase your profitability. And the last one that we're working on as we speak right now is Search Query Performance Report. That tool is currently live and it is being constantly updated. So when you click on this, you'll have the latest version as well. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side, and let us know what you think of these tools. Cheers.